Finding developers with sufficient Python expertise requires time and patience. Candidates should possess both soft skills and previous Python programming experience to produce quality code while working effectively as a team. Selecting the ideal applicant early is vital, as recruitment processes can often be expensive and time-consuming. Here are 5 proven tips to evaluate Python developer skills successfully. An evaluation of candidates' fundamental Python abilities should provide insight into their proficiency. This includes understanding Python essentials for troubleshooting and algorithmic concepts. Data models and entities are also crucial. By cross-comparing prospects using impartial statistical information obtained through a Python skills evaluation, you can narrow your focus to top candidates. This process should eliminate those without experience from consideration, while keeping the focus on hiring successful applicants. A basic assessment aims to test beginner-level Python abilities, making this method invaluable for hiring junior and mid-level developers. Additionally, evaluating soft skills such as problem-solving, critical thinking, organization, and time management is essential. Problem-solving abilities are crucial for Python developers. These skills help developers quickly pinpoint mistakes, understand why they occurred, and devise solutions to resolve them. Conducting a problem-solving exam can assess applicants' abilities to apply logic and analyze facts. This test features several difficult situations where candidates must select practical actions to address specific problems. Analytical skills are ideal for Python debugging. By testing applicants' critical thinking abilities and reviewing their problem-solving exam results, you can assess essential thinking abilities and verify response accuracy. This ensures your new hire can tackle challenges effectively. Object-oriented programming, OOP, is fundamental for Python developers. An OOP exam gauges applicants' understanding of concepts such as classes, control flow, and abstract classes. This test allows you to measure their skills as front-end or back-end developers or any other developer requiring basic object-oriented knowledge. Understanding the 4 guiding principles of OOP, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction, is crucial. These abilities enable developers to produce high-quality code that can be easily updated, maintained, or reused by engineers within your team. Ensuring candidates have a solid grasp of OOP principles is essential for effective development. Debugging is a critical skill for Python developers. Your developers must have experience debugging Python code before commencing any project to ensure a flawless experience and prevent error-filled coding projects. Python debugging skills help developers quickly pinpoint mistakes, understand why they occurred, and devise solutions to resolve them. This provides customers with an outstanding, worry-free experience with any projects that come their way. Make sure your new hires can tackle debugging efficiently with a debugging exam. This ensures they can run scripts to identify operational issues, correct mistakes within the code, and ensure a pleasant final user experience. Soft skills are just as important as technical skills. Collaboration, communication, and teamwork are essential for any developer working in a team environment. Coders.dv makes your evaluation process comprehensive by adding cognitive ability or situational judgment tests into the evaluation process. This ensures your new hire fits within the culture and has all the necessary soft skills for their role. Assessing these skills ensures that your new developer can work effectively with others and contribute positively to the team dynamic. Finding qualified applicants for technical jobs requires assessing individuals' fundamental Python programming capabilities as part of the recruitment process. Organizations can identify candidates with the skills needed for Python-related roles by conducting comprehensive assessments. Mastery of Python programming helps rapid problem-solving, better code quality, and more effective development procedures. Employers seeking talent with these abilities may benefit from using thorough assessment methodologies to hire candidates who demonstrate these traits. Such candidates tend to be adaptable, work well in teams, and support company expansion.